Hey guys, my name is Brittany, and today I am here with the no burping challenge. I tried this challenge before, y'all, and I didn't do good. It was an epic fail, and if you got a bad stomach, it got a vomit warning, so you probably don't want to see it, y'all. But today I'm gonna try it over. One of my good supporters wanted me to retry this, so y'all, this is what I'm gonna do. Before we get in this video, y'all, thumbs it up, subscribe, push that button, y'all. Hit the bell on side to get notified and share with everyone, y'all. Y'all, this was created by Jaleel Odom. You drink much as you can without burping. 2 liter, but he recreated it. He said you can do a 20 to 24 ounce. And I figured I'm going to just do it because my supporter wanted me to do the 2 liter, and I figured if I drink half, hey, that's 2 in 1. So y'all, we about to get into this video. Y'all ready? Y'all think I can do it? I think I can do it. Let's see. And I'm thirsty. Maybe that was a bad idea. I don't know. This is a hard little challenge. Oh, let's see, y'all. I did it with Sprite last time. I'm trying Mountain Dew. I think if I do less talking, I can get more down without burping. So I'm going to try that. And I'm going to try not to drink too fast. Oh, excuse me. Oh, y'all. I had to let it out. Oh, I tried. Almost, y'all. I think that's a lot without burping. Oh, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If y'all did, thumbs it up, y'all. Subscribe. Hit that button. Join the fam. Hit the bell on side to get notified, y'all. And share this video with everyone. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace. Love you guys.